E3 replaced the charging port. So first of all, we've got a size 4 hex wrench. Remove all base plate screws. After removing the base plate, find the charging port cable. Unplug the charging port cable and find our tool number 3. There are 2 screws here for the spotlight. Remove these 2 screws. And then the turn signal at the back has 2 screws here as well. Remove these 2 screws from it in the same way. After removing, use the No. 2.5 tool to remove these 2 screws. Remove this lid after removing it, so you can take it off. Take it off and find something pointy. Then remove the hot melt adhesive. Just remove the hot melt adhesive like this. Then use the opening wrench of size 19. Loosen this nut for it. Then unscrew this nut. Take this off. Place the nuts well. Take it off. After taking it off, our charging port can fall off after breaking it twice. Take out our new charging port. Let's put it in from the outside first. Because it has holes, make it right. Correct. Correct. After aligning, put the nut we just removed back on this end. Then screw the nut back on it. Then use the opening wrench of No. 19. Make sure to tighten this nut. Our charging port will not shake after screwing. After tightening, take the wire here, then go out. Then put our charging head through it. Then plug this charging port into it. And the same with the arrows. Then plug it in. After plugging in, put our charging port cable back on it. Then we'll hit it back with our sling. Then after the cover is installed, screw the screws again. Screw the screws in front of us again. Then screw the screws at the back. In this way, the replacement of the charging port is completed.